The navigation bar gives you access to all of the tools that allow you to navigate within an AutoCAD drawing. These tools include both those that can be found across many Autodesk products, as well as tools specific to AutoCAD. For example, the view cube indicates the current orientation of a model and is used to reorient the current view of a model. The steering wheels can be used to switch rapidly between specialized navigation tools. Show Motion provides an on-screen display for creating and playing back for design review, presentation, and bookmark-style navigation. 3D Connection reorients the current view of a model with a 3D Connection 3D mouse. Pan moves the view parallel to the screen. The zoom tools increase or decrease the magnification of the current view of a model. Lastly, the orbit tools rotate the current view of a model. The navigation bar floats over and along one of the sides of the current drawing area. To launch any of the navigation tools, simply click one of the buttons on the navigation bar. You can also click the split button to display a menu of more tools. From the navigation bar, click the Zoom Split button, and from the menu, select Zoom Window. Now in the drawing, notice that the cursor tooltip prompts you to specify the first corner of the window. Pick a point and then pick the opposite corner for the window. The program automatically zooms accordingly. Once a type of navigation command is specified, that command becomes the default tool on the navigation bar. In this case, for the Zoom tool, the default command is set to Zoom Window. Click the Zoom Split button again, and this time select Zoom Extents. Now, Zoom Extents is the default zoom tool on the navigation bar. To reposition the navigation bar, expand the navigation bar menu and select Docking Positions. From this menu, you can select from different docking options. Select Top Left. Because the navigation bar is currently linked to the view cube, both are now docked at the top left of the drawing area. Reposition the navigation bar to the bottom left. Again, both the view cube and navigation bar move. Reposition the navigation again back to its default placement, which is top right of the drawing area. To unlink the view cube from the navigation bar, open the Docking Position submenu again. This time, clear link to view cube. On the navigation bar, a grip handle appears. You can use the grip handle to freely move the navigation bar around the drawing area. To redock the navigation bar, from the Docking Position submenu, enable Link to View Cube. Start a new drawing. Then, on the ribbon, click the View tab. From here, you can turn on and off the navigation bar, the View Cube, and the UCS icon. The navigation bar and the View Cube resize according to the drawing area. From the interface panel, select Tile vertically. Both drawings that are open tile vertically. Now, select Tile horizontally. Notice the change in size of the view cube and navigation bar. Maximize one of the drawings to return to the default view of a single drawing.